Hi guys, this Monday we're launching our program. So in case you want to join us for the books, mocks, shortcuts or the complete package, you can join us on by calling the numbers given here. Hi guys, there are 10 things why we are unable to crack the CAT section. Okay, the 10 reasons why everything which you feel is the problem and we are going to count for that. Otherwise we have number 11 point as well, the G strategy. Okay, so 10 points why people score less. Number 1 point is English is not our mother tongue, and that's a main fundamental problem. We always think in Hindi, especially those starting with the preparation, and then convert into English, and that's where the problem start. Alright, so the only way solution for that is read as much as you can. Alright, so that you can just start thinking English. It won't come, trust me, it's not easy to come, but we have to get to that level. Otherwise it will be very difficult because it's not our mother tongue, and this will create the same problem in the interview as well, everywhere, when you're talking, when you're thinking as well. For example, now I'm speaking, I don't know whether I'm thinking in English or Hindi. So it's all, now I've reached that level where I don't know whether this is English or Hindi or Punjabi. नहीं, Punjabi का पता चल जाता है, Hindi, English I'm still confused. So I've reached that level when for me I'm comfortable thinking in both the languages. Alright, point number 1. Point number 2 is the reading skills. We don't have the reading skills, and CAT is all about reading. For every RC, I covered that in an earlier video, you have to read at least 1000 words. 1000 words per RC, 500 words in the RC paragraph, in the passage, then 100 words average per question. So it's around 1000 words. Assuming you're reading only once, RC time you have to read 2 to 3 times. On average, you read twice, the complete RC twice whilst on the complete set. So around almost 1500 words per RC. So I have to read. So I have to improve my reading skills. Today I'm notifying you all the problems. Then we look at the solution for each of them. Number 3 is a lengthy part. Verbal section is lengthy. And the first section, that's a separate problem. First section, the most lengthiest section. You will feel sleepy, especially those who don't like. See, I hate verbal. On my CAT day, I would have loved to solve first DI logic, then quant, then verbal. Here you hate it or you like it, you have to start with the verbal section, and that will take a toll on your confidence. It happens, trust me. And that's my point number 3, the lengthy question and the sectional timing. Okay, that is point number 4, that it's number 1 section. Yeah, imagine yaar, I would love to slowly go up. First do level 1, then go level 2, then we'll do level 3, but nahin. Here you have to do verbal irrespective of you like it or hate it. That is my point number 4. Point number 5, we still modify tukka, A or B. सच्चे बताना, कोई नहीं करता तो मेरे को बताना भाई, तो उसको heads off. I do that, I still do that यार. If I think answer is there, first look here, look there. If no one is looking, Jai Mata Di, answer A. And it is wrong by the way. Fine, so we have to avoid that. Why? Because that will create the second problem. Answer A or B. Fine. You always come down to last 2 options. Okay, and that's my G strategy. First remove the option which can be answered, then last 2 options, then Jai Mata Di mark karo. And that's the wrong way. That's a G strategy. Garib student ke liye. That's not the ideal way to solve. You have to read, and the main problem for that is reading. Okay. So tukka mat maro. Instead of doing tukka, we do that. Don't do that. Quant section you can solve in logic. Logic section you can solve for logic. Verbal section do not solve in logic. We do that. We try to do that, but please don't do that. That's my advice to you. Otherwise A or B. Now comes the next problem. Now the problem with the CAT RC, what they are doing, they give you a headless chicken. Okay, what they do, they took a 2000 words ka RC post from New York Times, the Guardian newspaper, somewhere abroad. I want to, trust me, put Suni, I want to do RT on CAT. Have you taken their permission? Have you taken the rights to publish their article? I'm sure नहीं लिया होगा. Indian कहाँ से लेगा permission? Okay, so that is why I want to check whether they have taken permission to publish the article. What they do, they cut down a 2000 word RC into a 500 word RC, cutting out a lot of stuff. 2/3 of the RC they cut out. Now if you give me a headless chicken, there is no head, the first paragraph they remove, I won't understand the context at all. So it's like you are baking up, you are looking at a half-baked thing and then you try to guess everything else. And I think that's a major problem where people fall flat. Okay. Pointer number 9 on the list is parajumble. I used to love to solve parajumble with a lot of G strategies. Pair banao, ye check karo, use options. I used to use option a lot. Confession time, yes, I still solve parajumble using options. But then what CAT did last few years, they've removed the options. And that's where the trouble start. Now, I've talked to two toppers, 200 percentiles of last year. Both of them said they cannot solve parajumbles. They can, obviously, they can mark the answer, but they can't promise the accuracy. CAT 100 percentiler is scared of parajumbles. So parajumble is one thing which will take your score down. And last but not the least, okay, it will take me some time to explain that thing. Maths, there are 10 chapters. Okay, we'll talk about that later on. Level 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Maths have got easy, medium, high level. But when it comes to verbal, we cannot identify, or books do not identify whether it's level 1 or level 2 or level 3. We all jumble them up and then solve them. And that is where the problem starts. Are you getting the point? Because everything is jumbled. Imagine, yaar, on the first day of your quant coaching, you're picking up a course of logs. कहाँ से solve होगा भाई? वो logs है. Even if I tell the concept of log, second question is something else. Fine. Rather than doing that, what we have done at C-Ticking, we have divided parajumble into chapters. Within parajumble, we have chapters. Parajumble, RC, we have divided RC into parts. 4 types of RCs come in CAT exam. Social, history, business, science. Social, history, business, science. So all 4 RC have a different strategy. Obviously the reading skill remains same. The basic structure remains same, but solve karne ka tarika will change with every type of question, and that's what we have to focus on. And that's the biggest thing. That's what we are going to do. In case you want to join a program, that's what we are going to do. Divide the paper into parts and then solve it. So in case you want to join a program, just call the number given here so my team can help you out by joining the program. All the best. Now comes the point number 11. Last but not the least is check out the comments. Anything which I missed or anything you want to add, please add into the comment, because this video is going to the Bible. Every mistake you have done or every reason why you could not score in the CAT verbal section is covered here in the video or down in the comment section. All the best. And I'll pin the most liked comment. Bye bye.